Right here, guys, I'm going to do a hose test with my Hoover Elite. And we got the Shark EuroPro SB736N. The reason why I'm down, and just so you guys know, I'm downstairs, I'm not upstairs, is because I have family here, so I want to do it down here. Time is 11:19 p.m. Everybody's still up, so, I mean, my aunt has gone to bed. She's just getting ready now. So we're going to go ahead and turn the Hoover Elite on. So here we go. Okay, so that was pretty good. So let's go ahead and put up the hose. All right like that. Now I'm just gonna do a quick floor sweep. So here we go. Not bad at all for the Hoover Elite. Excellent job. See you next time.